Hi, this is Skylar from Metro Lexus with another tech tip of the day. Today we're going to go over how to sync your garage door remote to your home link system in the car. So here we have the home link system. It's located in the rear view mirror. Some of your buttons might be different, some of them might be underneath. These just happen to be right here. They look like little houses, 1, 2, and 3. This green light just has to do with the auto dimming of this mirror, so we're not really looking at that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down on the first and the third button at the same time. A light should appear. And then as soon as that light starts fluttering, then that means that everything has been erased. Now, if you have synced a garage already, then you don't want to do this move. You want to skip to the next step. As long as you have your remote with you, you can sync the remote to the home link system anywhere. So whatever button you want to do, you're going to press or hold down on that button. So on this particular car, I don't have to hold on it because it's just going to start blinking like this. That means it's ready to receive the code. Then I'm going to hold down on my garage remote. And the key move is to move it around a little bit. Once it caught the code, now that was pretty quick. Sometimes it can take a little while. That means it caught the code. What I tell people to do first is to hold down on that button for a couple seconds, let go, do it again. And if the garage moves, that means that you're good. Here we are in the garage. This is the garage unit. So you're gonna look for a button that says learn. And this one is clearly marked. And then you're gonna press this button briefly. Usually a light will come on. Then you have 30 seconds to get in the car, and you're gonna hold down on this for a couple seconds, let go, do it again until the garage moves. And then once it moves, it's set. I hope that helped you learn to sync your garage. Of course, if you have any questions, you can call us at the dealership. I'll be happy to walk you through, or you can stop in and we can sync your home link buttons to your garage door opener from the dealership as well. Also, if you haven't had a chance to visit us at our store at Metro Lexus, we would love for you to come in so you can experience amazing.